On 12th of January, war awards exchanged from the Anti-Corruption Youth Power of Assam, Karbi Anglong District Committee and Dipu Regional Committee during a press conference called at Dipu. Chitra Bora, General Secretary of ACYPA Karbi Anglong District Committee, while addressing the media, informed that Arun Terang was dismissed from the post of President Dipu Regional Committee after he was found practicing extortion.
কিন্তু আমি যেতিয়া কথা আপোনাৰ সদস্যসকলৰ লগত বিবেচনা কৰিলো এই আলোচনাৰ বিবেচনাত আমি দেখা পালো যে হসাকে হয় কিছু পক্ষ হসা পাইছো আমি এই পক্ষত আজি আমি দুৰ্নীতি বিৰোধী যুৱশক্তি অসম কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা সমিতিৰ উদ্যোগত যি ডিফু আঞ্চলিক সমিতি আপোনাৰ গঠন হৈছিল সেই গঠনত আমি সভাপতি ডাঙৰীয়া আজি আমি এই ডিফু আঞ্চলিক সমিতিৰ পৰা সভাপতি ডাঙৰীয়া পদত্যাগ আমি ঘোষণা কৰিছো।
Arun Terang, on hearing the news of his dismissal from the post of president, instantly called for a press conference to clarify the allegations made over him. During his press conference, he denied all the allegations made by Chitra Bora, also informed that no any notice or concerns had been taken upon his dismissal from the post of president.
Mana dalam sistem yang saya langkah karbok. Berjalan tu pun je Nepal Presiden aku pini penang pas sunlo. Alang tu ni jadi kan alang tu mungkin lagi right away. Tema alang tu halat tu buka jantung. Alang tu buka jantung komiti tu bang sidakar difu komiti tu han nang pini pen Presiden aku dolong lelo. Difu ke lagi alang tu right away.
Serious allegations were made against Chitra Bora during the press conference, alleged that Chitra Bora had demanded a sum of rupees 50,000 prior to the award-giving ceremony of International Anti-Corruption Award held at Guwahati on 8 December 2022. Threatens to isolate the selected nominees from Karbi Anglong District if failed to produce the amount pre-ceremony.
Borsing Rong Park, la press club ng President award ta lang dum patu pijoy ni si kiri pidam adun nudam chok kiri pidam non puanta press club president borsing rong phar long ekta award bang ya bide la ke la tum si ke patu pi binong athema ni poisa pa clear pi uni depot ni alang tumhan 30,000 poisa kipi 30,000 plus.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.